Hi guys, welcome back to Detailing on the Beast. So we're going to be working on the Ranger today. Now all around this truck I've got like tinted or coloured lenses on everything. So the fronts are all tinted, the rear's a complete replacement dark smoke unit. I've got tints on all the top, I've got the covers, the Perspex covers on the top and the front here. And the one area that lets this down are these. Now, I've never been able to get them out in terms of being able to wrap them or something like that, or film them. And I'm not really that keen on the finish that you'd get with like a spray tint. So what I thought I'd do is have a look around, and I've come across these units on the internet, and they pretty much identically match the units on the back. So today I'm going to show you how to get this unit taken apart, swap this whole lens assembly for something that's LED. So stick around, I'll show you how to do it, and then I'll show you the final results at the end of this video. So the first thing we've got to do is manipulate this mirror. Now you can do it from the controls in the middle, but it's easy enough just to push this down at the bottom as far in as it'll go. And then, now I've done this before, but you're going to need a trim tool, and what we're going to do is take this casing off. And there are a couple of clips, one around about here on the inside and one around about here, and they're two compression clips. So what you've got to do is push them down or push them up at the bottom and put some pressure to put the mirror cover backwards that way. So just to show you where them pinch clips are, that's one there, that square you can see. And you may have to move your mirror in and out to get to them, and the other one is there in the top corner. As I say, there are just two squeeze clips, so you squeeze them in using various trim tools, or flat blade screwdrivers will work, and then put a little bit of pressure on the lid, on the lip here, and that will pop out. Probably took me a couple of minutes per side to do this, just while I'm messing about trying to get it off, but be very careful, you don't want to break any of them clips. So all you've got to do then is put a little bit of pressure this side, and the whole unit will pop off. And you can see there, them two pinch clips that you needed to get access to. These two here are just retaining clips, really easy to remove. But that is the case off. So put that aside, nice and safe, and then we'll move on to the main unit. So to remove this old cluster, you need to remove the entire thing. We're just going to refer to the new one, and you can see the sort of clip that the retaining clip is there, and that goes in that way. So what we're going to do is aim into this hole here with our trim tool, and you'll feel there's something behind that is this piece of plastic here. And then once we release that, that whole thing will come out. Now, these units are not entirely the same. So what you need to do is remove this rubber boot from this lens holder and remove that completely. Remove the bulb and put that somewhere safe as well. And then what you're going to do, I'll leave this slightly on for now, but I am going to need to peel it back. These are sealed units, and what you're going to do is use this as a bulb. So you're going to plug this into here. Now, it'd be advisable to put some sort of heat shrink around there, so I'll do that in a minute. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to clip that back in, this end first, just tuck it behind the trim, and then make sure that sits nice in the housing. So that's the new unit in. I've tucked the connector up here. There's a nice little space. Make sure all the wires are nice, neat, tidy, and out the way. They're not going to get trapped when you put the casing back on. And then it is time for the casing. So we're going to start at the bottom. Now there are locating pins here, 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 and here, which are these across the bottom. So we're making sure they go in first. And then we're going to guide these ones back into these two squares here at the top. So they go in second, so it'll go in like a push motion. Make sure it's firmly in place. Remove the tape, and we're done. So we're all done. Obviously standard indicator at the front. Now I know I'm going to get asked about this, but guys, these are just 1.9 meter amber LED strips linked in. Haven't done a video on that actually. I could do with doing so. The changed units at the back with the LED indicator, and now to top it all off, we have the sequentials on the wing mirror units themselves, and I think they look absolutely awesome. Much better than just a standard dome bulb. So I'm pretty sure I got them off eBay. I'll have a look round, I'll get the link, put that in the video description below. Don't forget guys, loads more Ranger content on the channel. Go and check out the ram air induction kits, for instance. If you want one of them, give me a shout. As I say, loads of Ranger content, a ton of detailing content. So if you like what you see, go and give us a subscribe. Anyway, thank you for watching. You take care. Goodbye.